You shoot thousands of photos every job, but somehow sorting through them takes longer than the actual shoot. There's a faster way, and no, it's not outsourcing, it's AI. Hey, I'm Soph. I'm a photographer and a creative. If you've ever spent hours weeding through near identical shots, welcome to your new favourite tool. In this video, I'm going to break down what AI culling software actually is and why narrative can be your pick to do it all. AI culling helps photographers quickly sort, assess and select the best images from their shoot. But the twist? Using machine learning, not manual scrolling. It flags closed eyes, poor focus and even expressions. So instead of staring at 4,000 shots, you're actually looking at your top in minutes. There are a few tools out there, but narrative is the one that photographers all across the world trust, and here's why. It's fast but efficient. Narrative ranks, scores and groups your images in a way that just makes sense. Group shots, automatically sorted into scenes, so you're not guessing which of 12 identical portraits is best. With narrative, you can even pre-edit your photos direct to Lightroom. You stay in control, no cloud uploads, no internet needed. Just better, faster culling built for pro workflows. Create in your style without having to second guess the AI. If you're ready to save hours and stay in control of your edits, try narrative free in the link below.